Okay, next on to the main course. So continuing with our sort of Italian theme, we've got some of our Clee Hill lamb from our friends Alex and Chris up on Clee Hill. We've got some, it's like a Paso red wine kind of sauce that we're going to reheat the lamb in. We've got some braised chicory. We've got a wild garlic kind of salsa verde, and we've got a polenta. So the first thing, we're going to get our polenta on. Take the butter out. Just keep her on low. At this point you can add a little bit of milk, water, oat milk if you're vegan. And next we're going to get this guy on. So meat in the pan. Sauce in the pan. So that's on low. A little splash of water in with the meat. So next, turn our oven up from the starter. It's now on about 220. I'll pop the chicory. In an oven dish. Hopefully that's going to sort of caramelise and go a little bit sticky around the endive in the hot oven. So now we need to start breaking down our polenta. And you are probably going to need to add a bit more liquid to it from that first one. A little bit more milk. You see it sort of starting to absorb the liquid and become softer. You obviously don't want to make it too runny. Okay, so that's good. This is good, you just need to keep on coming back to this and giving it a bit of a whisk. Meat's just nicely simmering away. Just turn that right down now. That's about the sort of right consistency. Okay, I'm going to turn it off and we're just waiting for the meat to finish and the chicory. Okay, so our chicory is nearly ready. Okay, so to finish off the polenta, those knobs of butter that we had, just going to pop them in and whisk until they're melted. Should give you a nice shiny texture. Take a spatula. Got our delicious lamb. Get our chicory out. You can see some of that sauce has sort of evaporated and gone a little bit sticky. Take our, lay that in the middle. Might make a little boat out of this. Pour a bit of that on. A bit of orange juice and stock and garlic in there. And finally, we've got our wild garlic. Just going to lay across like this.